Throws clause. If an exception is thrown from a method, then checked exceptions must have a throws clause. Unchecked exceptions may have a throws clause. And so in the scanner method shown there from the Java docs for scanner, public scanner file source, and we'll be using this in next week's code. So passing an instance of the file class to scanner, that constructor, we see after the parameter list throws file not found exception. So this is a specific example of a throws clause. And basically it's telling us as the programmer that constructor, in this case, that scanner method, the special method, the constructor, may throw a file not found exception. And so our code that calls that method will need to handle that exception. Here's another example of a throws clause. So in the method definition, declare that the method may throw the exception. So within my method here, we're calling, in this case, new file reader, and new file reader may throw a file not found exception. And our way of handling that in this code, we don't use a try block to catch it. So we're choosing to use a throws clause. So my method in this slide is choosing to handle the checked exception, file not found exception, thrown by the file reader constructor. And the way we're choosing to handle it is a throws clause. So this is one way of handling a checked exception, or any exception, is just putting the throws clause right after the parameter list in the method definition.